Alrighty, we're making crinkle French fries. Let's spray them with a little olive oil. Yeah. And we've got to cook this at 400 for 16 minutes, but we're going to stop it on the 8 mark. So let's get cooking. There we go. Yeah, as y'all know, I had another one, but it had a smaller basket, so I gave that one to my daughter, and my husband bought me this larger one. And I'm liking this one because I can cook for the family that are in this one because the basket's bigger. So let's see how these French fries turn out. I'm just loving this air fryer. Alrighty, y'all. I actually cooked these 22 minutes, and I stopped them at 10. I stirred them around. I sprayed them, as you remember, when I started, with a little olive oil. And these are super crispy. I've already tried one, and I do not miss them being cooked in a fryer at all. Air fry, y'all. Healthy, delish. So I'm getting ready to enjoy these with my Manwich hamburger sandwich. All right, y'all, I'm going to pair those good crinkle fries with my own sauce that I made in this Angus beef hamburger meat. So we're going to have Manwich sandwiches. Now you can buy the Manwich sauce, but I've made my own, so I'll put the recipe down in the comments. Not in the comments, but I'll put them down below, okay? Talk to y'all in a little bit and show you the whole little lunch we're having today.